Welcome to our chapter Understanding Elementary Shapes. Let's move to our exercise 5.7. Let's get started. Question number 1 is about true and false. Each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. That's true because all the angles are of 90 degree and the opposite sides of rectangle are equal in length. That is also true, which is one of the property of rectangle. Diagonal of a square are perpendicular to one another. That is also true. All the sides of rhombus are of equal length. That is equally true because all the sides were having the same length. And all sides of parallelogram are of equal in length. That is not true because parallelogram is having opposite side of equal length. Opposite sides of trapezium are parallel. That is also false because the only one pair of opposite side is parallel to each other. Moving to question number 2, the give reasons. A square can be thought of a special rectangle. A square has the properties as that of a rectangle, so it is a special rectangle. Rectangle can be thought of as a special parallelogram, as rectangle has the same properties as that of a parallelogram, so it is a special parallelogram. And square can be thought of as a special rhombus. Square has the same properties as that of rhombus, so it is a special rhombus. Then a square rectangle parallelograms are all quadrilaterals. Square rectangle parallelogram are all quadrilaterals as they are enclosed by four sides. E part you can try yourself. Similarly, question number 3 is having a regular figure which is having all sides equal and all angles equal. So answer to that is square. Moving to our exercise 5.8, in which we have to examine the polygons, which of them is a polygon, and if not, then why. Like the first figure is not the closed one, that's why it is not a polygon. B part is a polygon because it is made up of all line segment and a closed one. C part is not a polygon because it is not having any line segment. D part is not a polygon because it is enclosed by an arc and two line segments. Moving to question number 2, we have to give the name of the polygon. You have to make two more for this. Like the first one, we have more examples for each of this is quadrilateral, and B part is a triangle. We can show with the help of figures to this. Likewise, you can go ahead for the next parts. Moving to question number 3, draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. We can draw the figure which is having all the 6 sides equal. Same way, question number 4, we have to draw a regular octagon, which is octagon means which shape is having all 8 sides but equal sides. So moving to next question number 5, a diagonal or the line segment join any two vertices of the polygon are not the side of a polygon. Draw a rough sketch of a pentagon and draw its diagonals. We have to draw a pentagon and the opposite vertices we have to join. Joining two vertices, it will be forming the triangles in between. Moving to next exercise 5.9, in which we have to match it, like we have to match the name of the figure with the shape. We have to give the examples also, like for the cone is matching with number 2, then sphere is matching with figure number 4, cylinder is matching with the last figure, that is figure number 5, and cuboid is matching with number 3, and pyramid is matching with number 1. So similarly you can try for giving their examples. And the coming to the last question, what is the shape of your instrument box? That is a cuboid. For a brick it is again a cuboid. For a matchstick it is again a cuboid. For a road roller it is a shape of a cylinder, and a sweet laddu